Okay, giveaway time. You might get an extra point if you know where my hey is from. Okay, today's giveaway day, and for hitting 5,000 subscribers here on YouTube, I'm going to give away a box of my soap. And in the box, I'll just go through which ones you'll get. You get 4 bars. So you get White Witch, which is my best seller, which is patchouli and geranium essential oil soap. Then you'll get Winter is Dead, which is my new spring soap, which is a honeysuckle jasmine blend, and it's yellow with nice little sprinkles on the top. You'll get Gothica, which you may have seen me make recently, which is the black soap with the gold mica on the top, and it smells like Clinique aromatics. And you'll get Pickpocket, which is a violet blend, so that's another one for spring. So you get 4 bars, and it comes gift packed in this lovely little box. So I will tell you what the rules are. It's pretty simple. So you need to hit subscribe here and preferably hit the notification bell. You need to follow my Instagram account, which is linked below, and then you need to leave me a joke in the comments. You know I like a laugh. It's quite apparent I like to laugh. So leave me a comment with a joke, and the best joke, or the one that makes me laugh the most, will be the winner of this. Competition opens now, and I think I'm going to do the announcement on Friday, which is the 2nd of February. So I'll do another video to announce the winner, and I'll also post it on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram, hit subscribe here, leave me a joke below, best joke wins. That's it. Okay, I will see you soon.